Hello Country Quest folks, we are here today. We're going to do a little camera comparison. As you know, we're just starting out, learning to do this YouTube thing. Anyways, we've been using GoPros, and Gail picked up a sweet deal on a new camera, Tactacams, and so we're going to do a little video comparison. We aren't sponsored by any of these two. We're new, starting out, and gonna see which we like and you guys like better. So the next 20 minutes or so, we're gonna shoot a little bit of video with both cameras and see the results. We're out here at Elk City Lake right now. We apologize for not having a video for a while. It's been a little bit of Kansas heat hitting down on us, and also I'm a little down and out right now. I just had my ankle fused, and needless to say, I haven't been out and doing much, but we'd appreciate any of your feedback, which you like better. You'll see on the videos, we'll notate the two different cameras and shots and see what y'all like best. We'll show you a little shot of the river here just below the outlet. As you can see, not much flow, which is why we haven't been fishing a whole lot. We'll see if you can see it. On down the river a ways, we've got weeds growing up in the middle of the river. Needless to say, it's been pretty slow, but we hope you like this comparison video. We got some more shots to take. Yep. A little long distance shot at the egret or crane, whatever he is. We'll see how he shows up on both cameras. Oh, I was still filming on this one. Cruise on in. Okay, we're seeing nice, bright, blue, beautiful sky, some clouds. See which one of these does the best. Alright, trying this out at 5 miles an hour, doing the moving test. Okay, Gail, kick it up to 10 miles an hour. Perfect. Awesome, buddy. Take a look at our buffalo here at the park. Gonna see if we can find the elk. We got pretty nice bull elk over here. Mr. Llama. There we go. I'd like to see him at about this range out in the woods. Pretty nice bull. I got part of that camera in